Hi, this is Charlie Arturola for AIS, and I'm tasting Petit Verdot from Los Aljibes. Los Aljibes is from Chinchilla de Aragon, which is the very south of Castilla-La Mancha. It's one of the regions that's soon to be, you're going to hear a lot because it's one of the finest single vineyards where actually the finest Merlot, the finest Cabernet, and the finest Bordeaux blends are coming these days. This is a great bottle of wine. There's only 7,000 bottles made. What I love about this wine is that softness and that mellowy, velvety tannin structure that this wine, for being a very spicy, very inky, and very dry red wine, as a Petit Verdot grape, has an incredible texture of blackberries and leather. This is probably one of those wines that you need to actually taste with food. And this is from Los Aljibes. It's French oak and American oak combined, so actually we use the French oak to give some vanilla, some spice, and some unripe notes like herbal or minty, or I would say some of the harshness of this wine that is known for being probably one of the singular grapes in Bordeaux. Petit Verdot from Los Aljibes. It's a wonderful bottle of wine, and I hope you enjoy one of our favorite selections in AIS here in West Canada.